if you go to see the present scenario, how is the government functioning without the in the absence of the Chief Minister, Mr. Manohar Parrikar?
There cannot be a government without Chief Minister. So where's the question of functioning? There cannot be a government without Chief Minister. So the question of functioning doesn't arise. As simple as that.
What about the appointment of 3-member cabinet advisory committee?
That is not a substitution for Chief Minister. No. That must be unique in the world.
Okay.
There is no substitute for Manohar Parrikar in BJP. We had good Chief Ministers in the past, starting with Mrs. Kapolkar, Pratap Singh Rane, Dr. Willy, Manohar Parrikar, who have got their own, who have left their own imprint in world politics and in governance. But I don't know what's going to happen now. It's a sorry state of affairs.
How long this can work on as far as the government is concerned?
I really do not know. You know, it cannot. Yeah, actually, it should not work. But probably everybody is so scared to put their hands into the government that everybody is shying away from responsibility. So that may be one of the reasons why they are allowing this situation to carry on.
What is another alternative if it has to work on? Is there president rule? What exactly?
No. President rule is not an alternative. President rule can be there for 6 months. So alternative has to be found out within this setup of MLA. Say no prayers, God answers the prayers. So the God probably will answer the prayers of God for a good government.
In one side, Congress is trying to form the government. In the other side, there is the name of Daulikar.
I don't think they have the guts to form a government.
Is Daulikar also fit for the Chief Minister's post?
No. Daulikar is one step forward, 2 steps backward. And Daulikar's home also is not in a good shape. His own home, his own house is not in order. So, if his house is not ordered, how will he put in order outside the house? I would expect Daulikar to be the ruler.
So at the moment, in the current situation, nor Congress, nor MGP, nor BJP can perform or are in a position to run the government.
Right now, no. The answer is no.
So what is an alternative then?
No. There is no alternative. We have to wait for a month or 2 months, and ultimately we have to jump on whether you die or you survive. We have to jump in the well.
So is it better to go for fresh elections?
No, I told you, who promises a better crop of rulers? I'm asking you the same question, I'm giving the same answer. Who promises?
Is it a problem that there are many number of parties who have a number of MLAs, independent MLAs, that's why proper government?
It's a fractured mandate, first of all. It's not a mandate which is, of course, Congress got maximum number of MLAs, I'm not saying no, but it's not a full-fledged mandate, which BJP had got last time of 21. And therefore, with the central government which is inimical to Congress, it will not be possible for the state to run properly. If with this number of incomplete number of 16 or 17 which Congress has got, if center was run by any other party minus BJP, it probably could drag its foot. But now with inimical party at the center, I wouldn't say even I would say inimical party, it is very difficult. So there is no question of president rule. What does president rule do? It's just 6 months. It can't be permanent. President rule is not permanent. So there is no question of being an alternative. Alternative is the government.
Okay.
Which government is an alternative to this government?
Does BJP has an alternative in the absence of Mr. Parrikar?
Congress is no better. So that's why I'm saying it is a very lose-lose situation for Goa. No win-win. It's a lose-lose situation because Congress is no better
than BJP.
And BJP is no better without Parrikar than Congress.
So how do you see, as a politician, how do you see the future prospects of the government?
It is very sad. It is very sad for Goa. Not for people of Goa, because people of Goa deserve what they got because when they voted like this. So I am not feeling very sad for people of Goa, but I am feeling sad for Goa.
Parikar's absence from the state, how can BJP run in the state?
So therefore I said the state is not being run by politicians. It is being run by bureaucrats. And that too, half-powered bureaucrats. If they are in president's rule, they have got full power. Here also they don't have full power also. It's half-powered bureaucrats, not even full power. Which is different from the president's rule. At least there they have full powers. Here neither they have powers, neither the political rulers have powers, neither the bureaucratic rulers have powers. So nobody has power.